In this video, let's see how to manage SMS campaigns. In the navigation bar, click on SMS. We can see the SMS campaigns according to their status by clicking on these tabs. Click on the Reschedule button for rescheduling the campaign. In the calendar pop-up, select a future date and time to reschedule the campaign. Click on the Confirm button to schedule. From this three-dot menu, you can view, send the rescheduled campaign instantly and can also delete the campaign. For draft campaigns, you can click on the Continue button to navigate to where you left off. From this three-dot menu, you can delete the campaign. In the confirmation modal, click Confirm to delete the campaign. Click on the View button next to a completed campaign to see its further details. You can see sender, recipients, credit usage, and status of individual SMS from this page. You can also export this as an CSV file by clicking on the Export button. Thank you for watching.